Are you also running a vegan restaurant? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I am going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your vegan restaurant business. So as an owner of a vegan restaurant, I am receiving multiple inquiries of my new customers as well as existing customers related to the duration, pricing, offers, etc. Handling each of these inquiries manually is a time-consuming and a hectic task. Therefore, I have decided to automate this entire process with the help of an amazing WhatsApp chatbot that I am going to build without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot is going to handle all the inquiries which I am receiving on day-to-day basis, and it is going to engage my customers with automate responses 24/7. So for your business, if you also want to learn the process of creating this amazing WhatsApp chatbot step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your vegan restaurant business. So as an owner of a vegan restaurant, I want to automate the entire inquiries and messages which I'm receiving from my customers on regular basis, and I want to engage my customers 24/7 with the help of a bot. So for that, I'm going to design a WhatsApp chatbot without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. First of all, before moving forward, let me show you that how this bot is actually going to work. So when a customer is going to send a message, any message on the WhatsApp number of my vegan restaurant, let's say a customer is sending a message as, "Hey, I want to order vegan food." As I've sent this message, I got instant reply. "Hi, welcome to Green Delight, your go-to place for delicious vegan meals. May I know your name before moving ahead?" It is asking me the name. So when a customer is going to send the reply along with their name, let's say Smart User, a random name, then we are going to get the response along with the name. So you can see that the customer is receiving the response, "Great Smart User, what would you like to do today?" Let's say when the customer is going to click on this easy button, view menu, they receive the menu. Here's our special menu. If they want to place order after reading the menu, they can click on this button. And here we got the link to place the order. So in this way, the flow is actually going to work. Now, without waiting further, let's start creating this amazing chatbot for our vegan restaurant as well. To start with the process, first of all, in a new tab, we need to type pabbly.com/chatflow in our browser. This is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple WhatsApp chatbots for your business. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. Now it is going to take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can manage the credits that are allotted to us, the credits that we have consumed, and also the credits that are remaining with us. Also, it is saying that one WhatsApp number is added. How to add your WhatsApp number and set up your Pabbly Chatflow account? If you want to learn that, we have already created a separate video tutorial for that in detail. It is uploaded directly on a YouTube channel, so you can go and watch it from there. Also, if you are having multiple WhatsApp numbers, you can create separate folders over here on the dashboard to save them separately and in organized format. Okay, apart from creating flows and chatbots for our business, we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow as well to automate WhatsApp. So you can see that we have all the amazing features over here in the left side. One by one, I'm going to explain you all the features in brief. Although we have created detailed tutorial videos for each of these amazing features that are uploaded on our YouTube channel. If you want to learn about any of them, you can just go and watch the tutorial from the channel directly. Let's start with inbox. So with the help of inbox, you can manage all your sent as well as received messages at one place. So if you are using Pabbly Chatflow as your WhatsApp automation tool, you do not have to open your WhatsApp web account or WhatsApp account again and again to check for new notifications or for the status of your messages. You can check all of them and manage them at single place. Okay, so we have sent messages over here, we have received messages as well. Also, we can check the status of the message, whether it is sent, delivered, or read by the customers. We have the contact section, by using which we can create separate contact list of different clients, customers, leads, or anyone on the basis of separate requirements to send message separately. Then we have the team queue section, by using which we can provide and assign chats to different team members by using round robin method. We can also track the performance of the team by using this feature, and also it will improve the productivity and the collaboration between our team. Then we have the template section by using which we can create customized and creative templates to be sent to our customers, clients, leads, or anyone in the personalized format along with the media such as video, images, documents, and much more. Then we have the broadcast section by using which we can send mass messages to huge list of customers, clients, leads, or anyone with the help of customized templates automatically and separately. Then we have the flow section by using which we can create flows, that is chatbot for our businesses. Then we have the AI assistant by using which we can create personalized AI assistant for our business. And also here we have the settings section by using which we can manage the settings of all the features inside Pabbly Chatflow. And here we have the get help section. If you require help regarding any of the feature inside Pabbly Chatflow, you can seek help from here. All right, now after understanding each of the feature that how it works, let's go towards flows and we'll start creating our chatbot for vegan restaurant business. So now here you can see that these are all the chatbots I have stated for different purposes. We are going to start creating a new chatbot for our vegan restaurant. For that we are going to click on this add flow button first of all. Basically the chatbot is going to totally be based on the flow which we are going to create over here. Flow will be deciding what message should be sent next to the customers or to the lead on the basis of their response. So the flow is going to decide how the bot is going to act. All right. So now let's start creating this flow. First of all, let's provide a name to the flow over here. Let's say the name of my flow is WhatsApp chatbot for your vegan restaurant business. After providing the name to the flow, we have to decide that how our chatbot is actually going to start. So we'll be moving forward towards flow start. As I shown you in the video that when I'm going to receive certain messages regarding the inquiry of my vegan restaurant by any of my customer, any of the lead or a new client, then my flow is actually going to start and bot will start responding. In those messages, certain keywords will be there. The keywords will be then matched and identified, and as the keywords will be matched, then only the flow will start working. So you need to decide certain keywords which you could receive specifically from your customers or from your clients in the messages, and as the keywords will be matched, your flow will be start. Okay, so here let's say I'm going to enter the keywords as hello. I will press enter. It will turn into blue and it is added as keyword, or hi, or let's say hey, or let's say vegan, or let's say veg, or we could have dishes, or menu, or prices, and much more. These are some of the keywords which I could receive. We can add multiple such keywords which we think we can receive as messages. Also, apart from the exact keywords, we can receive long text messages as well as paragraphs in the form of messages from the customers. These paragraphs could also contain keywords. And how we are going to identify those keywords from those paragraphs? For that, we are going to enter the keywords in the form of regex. Regex is regular expressions. It is going to identify the keywords in the dynamic variations of the messages, and then it is going to start flow. How are you going to enter the regex? For that, you need to use the format which I'm going to show you over here. Add backward slash like this. Enter B, small b, open the bracket and start entering all the keywords in this particular format. Separate each of the keyword like this with a bar sign. So let's say first keyword is hello, then we have hi, or we have hey, or we have price, or we have order if somebody wants to order, or we have menu, or we have dishes, then we could have vegan or restaurant. And in the similar manner, we can have multiple such keywords. After adding all the keywords, just close the bracket. Again, you will enter backward slash B. The regex is ready. Now it is going to automatically identify the keywords, match it, and then the flow will start. If you think you can receive some of the keywords that are case sensitive, you can also toggle this button right. All right. As the flow is start, you have to decide what message you want to send next. I want to ask the name of my customer or the lead so that further I will be able to communicate to my customer automatically along with their name. So I'm going to go towards action. Here we have ask question. We are going to drag it like this. We will connect it simply with the flow start. And over here, I'm going to send them a message as, hi, welcome to Green Delight, your go-to place for delicious vegan meals. And I'm going to enter, may I please know your name before moving ahead? And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. And here I expect the response of my customers. the reply with full name. So I'm going to select full name from contact custom field. As I've added full name in my contact custom field, this means that when I'm going to receive the response of my customers, the reply with their name, automatically the name is going to be added in contact custom field. And in this way, wherever I'm going to further communicate with my customers, I can use the name automatically. Then here we are going to select the format, that is going to be text. If you want to provide reattempt chances, you can enter the number of reattempts and also the validation message which you want to send along with the reattempt chance over here, such as you require to make changes in the name or anything else. Now here, after I'm going to get the name, further I want to provide them the options that what they want to explore. To provide the options, as I have shown you in the beginning of the video, I want to send them certain buttons. So here I'm going to select text plus button option. The message will be great, and here I'm going to add the name of my customer, that too from the contact custom field directly, so that we can address them with their name automatically. All right, and here I will enter the message as great full name, what would you like to do today? So here I'm going to provide them three options, whether they would like to first of all view menu, or they would like to reserve the table for themselves, or they want to place an order. For each of these three options, I'm going to send separate messages. First of all, if they want to go for exploring the menu, so I'm going to provide them the menu and some other details, and the menu is going to be in the media format. I want to send the image of the menu, so here I'm going to select image. If you are sending audio, document or video, you can also select any of these options. In order to enter the image over here, you can also paste the URL like this in this field. And if not, you can directly upload the image from your computer as well. I will directly upload the image of the menu to be sent to my customers. So I have uploaded the menu over here from my computer. And here I want to send them the message as, here's our special menu for today, and I'm going to provide them the button as place order. If they directly want to place the order after reading the menu, so I'm going to send them the order link. Okay, that's how they can place the order. Here I have entered the message, to place your order, please visit this link. If they do not want to place the order right now, they want to go back to main menu, then I'm going to connect this back to menu button with the main options where I'm providing menu, reserve a table and order options. Now let's move towards the next step, that is reserve a table. If somebody wants to reserve a table for themselves, they are going to click on this button reserve a table. Then in that case, here I'm going to send them the message as, and here I've entered, please call us at this number to reserve your table. Okay, and now here I'm going to take you back if they want to place their order. In that case, I'm going to send them the link that how they can place the order. I've already sent a message. I'm going to just connect order now button with that message link where I'm sending them the order link. Apart from this, if they want to check for the offers as well, so I'm going to send them the message in the order link only. And here I'm going to send them the message that are the regular offers or the daily offers. Okay. Today's offer, get 15% off on orders above 500. Use code VEGAN15 at checkout. Okay, so this is the message. They can just check out the offers and place the order by clicking on the link which we have provided them. So here my flow is ready. As you can see, I have prepared all the steps. I have prepared all the options which I'm sending to my customers with the help of my bot. And now, as they are going to click on any of these buttons, they will receive the messages accordingly. After completing the flow, now I'm going to take you towards my WhatsApp account and we are going to check whether the flow is properly working or no. So here as a customer, let's say I'm going to send the message on my vegan restaurant WhatsApp number. So let's say the message is, hello, please send me the menu. As I've done that, I got an instant reply. Hi, welcome to Green Delight, your go-to place for delicious vegan meals. May I please know your name before moving ahead? So let me provide a name, let's say best user, a random name. As I've done that, I got another reply. Great best user, what would you like to do today? So let's say here I'm going to send view menu. Easily I can send them replies by using the buttons. And here I got the menu. Here's our special menu for today. When I'm going to click on place order, you can see that I got another message. So in this way, my flow is actually going to work. You can see it is working properly and fine. So you can also very easily create this amazing chatbot for your business without any manual efforts by simply following the same steps as I have shown you in the video. Thank you for watching the video. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can write it on forum.pabbly.com, and for any pricing related issue you can visit the website given over here. You can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free, so go and try it now for free today.